The Kaymar Sway. Now we start this dance in normal shadow hold, and for the first 8 bars both the man and the lady dance starting on the same leg. So it would be left foot for the man and the left foot for the lady. And we're going to do 2 walks with a lock step and repeat it on the opposite foot. We go as far as there so far, and 2 walks into a lock step, 2 walks and step, lock, step, and the same on the other foot. And it's step, lock, step. Now we're going to, with our forward foot, we're going to go forward to the side and back. We do that bit slowly first, and it's forward to the side and back, and over sway to the wall. Sway and back and close without weight, because you're going to go off on your right foot and you're going to do the same movement the other side, and it's forward to the side, back and over sway and close. Well, we just put those 8 bars together now. We start with 2 walks and a lock step repeated on the other foot, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, and close. Right, we're ready to start now. The next bar 9. Now the man and the lady are going to interchange places as the man passes behind the lady and the lady passes in front of the gentleman with a chassé, and it's a quick, quick, slow, and you cross back, quick, 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 and you close without weight because the man's going to go off on his right foot now. And we're going to into a zigzag, and it's forward to the side and back to the side into a step and a point. Now from this point the man is going to do 4 slow walks forward as the lady turns under the man's left arm, and slow, 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 taking up double hold. And now we're going to finish the dance with a rotary chassé, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, opening out into shadow hold to start the sequence again. So from the beginning we show the whole 16 bars, 2 walks into a lock step repeated, and 2 walks, lock step, and again 2 walks and a lock step, forward to the side and sway and back, and the same the other side, and sway, cross over behind the lady and cross back, a slow zigzag, step and point, 4 steps for the man as the lady turns under, taking up double hold, finish the dance with a rotary chassé, opening into shadow hold, ready to start again.